Hello, and welcome to the World of Garth Spencer, starring Garth Spencer. If you like these videos, do please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Tonight's article is going to be about cats and gravity. In brief, I decided after living with cats for a while, cats spend so much time lying on things that otherwise just sit there. Cats cause gravity. If things stay put only because cats sat on them once, then there must be a sort of quantum entanglement effect that imposes gravity on these products just because a cat has been there. And that would explain a few things about geology and the fossil record, because until domestic cats evolved, you get these honkin' big organisms throughout the geological record that are absolutely impossible today. Not with modern gravity, not with the modern composition of the atmosphere. You'd have to make up insane theories to explain why dinosaurs were possible or why pteranodons could fly. So I think the existence of cats imposes a gravity field that makes some things possible and others not. There are some corollaries to this based on the weight of political power. I had to conclude after a while that cartographers and geographers have been lying to us for thousands of years. How they managed to do this, I do not know. But imagine, if you will, there's no planet Earth. There's all sorts of little planetoids. They're circling around a common center of mass, or they're held in a complex tensegrity structure by the gravity that they exert. And the gravity they exert depends upon the number of cats they can support. Obviously, different nations can support different numbers of cats and exert a different amount of gravity at different times in the historical record. So, until the invention of agriculture and the consequent rise of rodent and insect pests, there wasn't a lot of gravity to go around. Now, there ought to be a joke about levity at this point, but I haven't worked it out. You go ahead. The point is, of course, that at different times, different nations exert different amounts of mass, of gravity. It is as though not only does everybody live in their own little world, but these worlds expand or decrease according to their political oomph, their heft. And the more the political weight they have to throw around, the more resentment they generate by an equal and opposite reaction. I don't know if this explains anything more about modern politics, economics, or the price of bread, but I'm just tossing it out there for you to munch upon. And this is another episode of The Garth Spencer Show, starring Garth Spencer. If you like these videos, by all means subscribe to the Garth Spencer YouTube channel. Thank you, and welcome for your... what was I going to say? Oh, right, Goosenark.